أكبر الله أكبر.
I'm going to perform Wudhu and then we'll offer prayer.
Mama, is performing Wudhu the first essential step of Salah?
Yes, my love. What happened?
I don't know the exact step of Wudhu, Mama. Can you please guide me?
Sure, come with me. It's important to make sure that you've done Wudhu correctly. But don't waste water, and Wudhu washes away even the minor sins.
Wow, I did not know about it, Mama.
Let's begin by saying Bismillah. The second step is wash your hands up to the wrist thoroughly 3 times. The third step is rinse your mouth 3 times. The fourth step is rinse your nose 3 times, blowing the water out using the left hand to remove the water from your nose. The fifth step is wash your face 3 times from the hairline to the chin and from ear to ear. Make sure the whole face, eyebrows, under the nose and lips are washed. A man should wash the hair off his beard. If his beard is thin, he should make sure water reaches the skin, and if it is thick, he should wash the surface and run his wet fingers through it. The sixth step is wash your arms and hands from your fingertips up to your elbows 3 times. It is essential to remove anything that could prevent the water from reaching the skin, that is, dough, mud, paint, etc. The seventh step is wipe your head starting with your hands at the front of your head, bringing them to the back of your head and then back to the front again. The eighth step is wipe your ears by putting your index fingers in your ears and wiping the back with your thumbs. It's preferable to use fresh water for this. The ninth step is wash your feet 3 times up to the ankles, making sure to wipe in between your toes with your little finger. Don't forget the back of your ankles.
Perfect, Mama. I love this activity and I feel fresh now.
Yes, Hira. When we are done with Wudhu, we feel fresh. Let's go for Salah now.
Sure, Mama. Jazakillah.